Hello everyone, this is Berkay. Today I would like to talk about how I create my Keylogger project for educational purposes on Python in virtual machine Kali Linux. One of the story, my father one time he attempt to hack my the gaming account. That time I met with the keylogger and that was super exciting for me, but it was also scary for me. But obviously he did for protect me to playing a lot of hours from video games, and that's how I realized it that this is very seriously. And I was like, hey dad, can you give me and let me try some of my friend's computer. But obviously he didn't give me, and he just told me that I made it that but just for you and you shouldn't share anywhere at that point. And we tried that everything in the under the law. After that I just realized it, all right, maybe I just learned my lesson here and just skip it. But after several years, here I am. I just realized it that maybe I should choose one of my Python project, might be this keylogger and the virtual machine with Kali Linux. That project actually was kind of a little bit tough for me because I obviously never create a virtual machine on my MacBook. That was my first time to try that. I also tried to install some of the virtual box, but it didn't work. I don't know why the reason, but I also do some little bit research. Like the MacBook, I think the Apple chips have some issues with that, and I install like UTM. That is also like a virtual machine. And finally, I found it the UTM old version because the latest versions for at least M2 Pro chips, it doesn't work for me. Like the display screen, it doesn't show. After a little bit of research, I downloaded the UTM old version. It was 3.24 actually. I found in GitHub, and after that I can finally create this virtual machine. Actually, I would like to show you guys what I did here. And let's open our virtual machine in Kali Linux. Here, as you see, that it is like normal Kali Linux actually. So how I start my project, I open a terminal. As you see, I put my name, everything at all. And after that, I just start to play a little bit and understand things. And I obviously install here the Python. And after that, I realized it that I'm not that expert. So in this keylogger program, obviously I need to integrate it some Python program language. I knew some basic Python, but obviously I got some support with AI. And after that, I script the Python and create a new file. And after that, I start the keylogger after many attempts actually. Finally, I figured out because the sum of that, the keylogger actually, when it was working, it types like 2-3 times the same word. Like let's say if I put hello world in the log system, it's gonna show the H 2 times and E 2 times. And after many tries, I fixed it that actually. Without further ado, I would like to show you guys right now how this works. As you see here in the comment system, I already saved all files here, and I can show you real quick actually. So as you see here, the one of the keylog file is here actually, but I would like to show you from bottom how I'm gonna do right now. So let's delete this one. So I'm gonna show right now how to create from bottom that this keylogger works actually. So first of all, I'm gonna write nano keylogger and go to here that we can input our Python coding. So here, as you see that I open the nano, and that allows to me writing the script. And right now I'm gonna paste here the all code to save this, and the name is keylogger.py. And before the start also that process, I would like to guys inform you that thing is just we made it for educational purposes. We are not using for any other way. Try to do just educational purposes. Yes, and so we back to again to our command line. Now we're gonna see that navigate our file to this path. So now we are going to where we put the keylogger Python file. As you see, it's here, and I'm gonna right now go direct to path here. And now we are ready to actually run the Python code here. So as you see, there's a file. It's right now whatever I put the key, it's gonna save here. Let's try this. Keylogger is created only educational purposes. So with that, I need to stop it, that it's because it's already running. As you see here, that you can see every key that I press it can shows here actually. and this is the project that I made actually. And thank you for watching my Python keylogger project. As I mentioned, I did this video for only educational purposes and to show you how I started. And before do that, obviously I try to install some Python files into the Linux, and after that I just run the Python codes, but it takes a little bit time for me because that was my first time, and many times it just shows the wrong like patterns that I would like to see, and I little bit do adjustment, and after that I'm ready to run this keylogger actually. But yeah, so in this video I would like to show you one of my Python project actually as a junior. That's all. Thank you guys, and I'm rooting for you. Thank you for your support. God bless you.